Good afternoon, students. Today in this video, we will see the features of MS Excel 2016. Now, I am going to play the video in Joyful Cordova software. So all of you listen carefully. All the features are now I will explain one by one. Now listen carefully.
Features of Microsoft Excel. Autocomplete. The autocomplete feature completes typing a word that is used repeatedly in a column of a list after you type a few letters of the word or phrase.
Now, auto-complete means already that word is available in that column, in that row, then automatically it will appear. If it is typed first time, then it will not appear, but it is available. Then only that word is automatically appear when you write any data in that cell. Now, second is autocorrect. Now, first listen carefully.
Autocorrect. The autocorrect feature in Excel can correct common typing errors as you work. For example, Excel automatically changes ADN to and, there is to there is.
Now, this autocorrect feature will automatically change some common errors. Means you want to write A and D, but you are type A, D, N, then it will automatically understood that it will convert into A and D. If you are written THEIRES, then it will automatically convert there is. Not only that too, some different words are there. When we write, then it will correct it. When you write wrong, then it will correct it, and so that's why that feature is called as autocorrect feature. Now the next feature is selecting the ranges.
Selecting ranges. Just highlight the initial cell in the range, hold down the left mouse button and drag it diagonally until all the required cells are selected.
So selecting ranges means you have to select the range of cells. Means first row up to 10th row and up to the 12th column. Then you can select it and drag it like this. Means all the 10 rows and 12 columns are selected. So that feature is called as selecting the range. Okay, for that purpose we have to just select one only initial cell and then you have to drag your mouse up to as per your requirement. You want 10 rows, then up to 10 rows. You want 5 columns, then up to 5 columns. It will that all the cells in that area is selected. It is called as a range. Now next feature.
Check spelling. When you check spelling, Microsoft Excel checks the entire active worksheet including cell values, cell comments, embedded charts, text boxes, buttons, headers and footers. However, Excel does not check protected worksheets, formulae or text that results from a formula.
Now when we click on the check spelling, it will check all the data in the active worksheet. Means all the cells, all the embedded charts, text boxes, buttons, headers and footers. But the protected worksheet is does not check by this check spelling because it is having some password is given. So that's why it is not able to check the spelling of protected worksheet. Formulas and text that are result from the formulas, that's the result, because that sheet is a protected. That's why that check spelling does not check the any spelling or any text boxes or any buttons, header and footer in the protected worksheet. If it is not given any password, then it will automatically check the spellings.
Apply formulae on a range. Formulae and functions can be applied on a large range of cells. Filling ranges.
Now here we can write or we can keep the data in A1, B1, B2, like 10 numbers I keep, and I want that addition of these all 10 numbers into the last 11th cell. Then here in 11th cell I keep my cursor and I write equals to then A1 plus B1, C1 plus D1 like this, and when I press enter, then automatically that all 10 values are added and it will display into the 11th cell. So in this, my range is A1 to last that 10th, that is F1. This is the range. This is the range, and we can use that range in our formulas: addition, subtraction, square. We just give the range and it will add sum. It will do all the sum of all the numbers. Multiply, it will do all the multiplication of all the numbers when we give any range for that formulas.
Yes. To fill the ranges, just highlight the initial cells in the range and select Fill handle and drag it to enclose the desired area to be filled with the series of numbers. Creating charts. A variety of charts can be created in a matter of minutes, no matter how complex the data may be. Worksheet linking. Worksheets and workbooks can be linked to share updated data and formulae. Whatif Analysis.
Now, a variety of charts can be created in a matter of minutes. You just select your data and just go to the insert and click on the charts. It will show you the different type of charts and their types. You select any one. That data is converted immediately within a fraction of a second into that chart. Worksheet linking, you just link one worksheet to the another worksheet. Means in workbook 1, two sheets are there, sheet 1 and sheet 2. You want one sheet 1 data into the sheet 2, it will be done with the help of this worksheet linking process. Means we can take any data from any sheet, we can use that data into the another sheet. The next one is Whatif analysis.
Whatif analysis is a process of changing the values in cells which help to predict the outcome of formulae on worksheet. For example, you can create an analysis by typing in different interest rates to find out the payment amounts. In the current versions, this facility is also called Scenario. New features. This includes tablet PC support, research task pane, XML support, list features, smart documents, and improved statistical functions.
Now, this is the new features available in 2016 that are not available in 2007. That is tablet PC support, result task pane is not there in old version, XML support, list features, smart documents and improved statistical functions are not available in the old versions of Microsoft Excel. That new, all the features are available in this 2016 Microsoft Excel. So, my dear students, today we will stop here. Next topic we will see in next video.